right. I would say we getting on through there, but today I'm getting on through there. I'm gonna come back and get all this debris here, take it to the dump. But right now, that's going to the dump. That was so much, but I stacked it on so neat. Oh my goodness. And I'm doing this all wrong, really. What I really need is a miniature skid steer, a wood chipper, and another commercial mower. I need prayers, people. Pray for my health too. God bless. That's how I do it. All right, Kevin, as you can see, it's gone. I wrapped up I raked up all the stuff that was here, put it off in here. Over there is gone. It was right there. And all the stuff that was on that fence line is gone. Now, granted, of debris just left. And that's because we're, on this major intersection right here. So all this trash is blown in. I've got rid of all the volunteer trees that was here. Loaded up and headed out.